So we have seen how we check the expected deviations and upset scenarios in HAZOP and how we evaluate the safeguards in place. And based on all these, recommendations are taken to increase the safeguards or reduce the probability of the deviation. In the HAZOP session, we identified some severe consequences. We have seen if there are enough safeguards against them or not. Now, we want to measure all these safeguards integrity level. This is to define the level of strictness concerning their specifications. This is most important when we talk about safeguards implemented through SIS or the related shutdown system, which are called safety instrumented functions, or in other words, SIF. For example, we have seen HIPS system working as a protection against overpressure in the upstream system. We have also seen SDV3 that closes the pump tripping at low liquid levels. All these are considered as safety instrumented functions, or SIF or SIF. We need to assess the criticality of these functions and how their failure on demand shall affect the safety of the plant. Based on this criticality, we shall determine their software and hardware requirements to achieve the reliability we need. This is commonly done through SIL assessment. SIL stands for Safety Integrity Level. Here we want to evaluate the required level of safety for a safety instrumented function. This is done by checking the frequency of the consequence we are afraid of and the severity of the consequence if it happened and the extent of damage it shall cause. The SIL assessment method may vary depending on the standard to be followed on how to calculate the frequency and severity. In the next videos, we shall see a simplified approach, although it's expected to be more detailed in the real life.